because I find bipolar to be quite an intriguing mental phenomenon. Aspect of linguistics. My primary emphasis was phonetics.
Primarily cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. Taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder. The acronym was sort of peculiarity. These and creates a sort of surrealistic kind of experience.
You gotta have that balance.
When I write, compose, arrange, transpose, I have a fundamental understanding.
And I think it's your nickname, maybe it's your nickname or your stage name, is Mr. Pregnant.
Yes, sir.
Is it?